Bro, this is crazy, bro. I gotta walk on the street because it's so bad. Look at this shit. Look at this. It's crazy, bro. Nobody can fucking drive or nothing. Nobody, like, people out here still driving, bro. This is weird. What are we in, Antarctica? Bro, it is a fucking ghost town. This is where I should have filmed my ghost town video. I'm out in the middle of the street and it is dead as fuck. Chat, the world is so dead right now. Look at how high they're stacking this shit. This is literally like almost my height. Look, it's almost my height. It's right under my shoulders. This dude out here having fun, bro. He just drifted across that. I missed it. I wasn't on camera. He might drift. Give it a little drift, cuz. That was funny as fuck. Dude, he was scooting, bro. I was scared. I thought he was about to hit me. I was like frozen. No pun intended, chat.